Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue working in grammar. And the page is the page number 74, language. Okay, pay attention to the new topic. Okay, there is and there are. Okay, listen. Use there is when the sentence talks about one thing or person. Okay, use there are when the sentence talks about more than one thing or person. Okay, look at the pictures. Okay, answer the question with complete sentences using there is or there are. But before, look at examples. Okay, how many eggs are there in that nest? There is one egg in that nest. Okay, there are one, two, three, four eggs in that nest. Okay, we are going to play a game in order to understand this topic, and also please watch the video. Okay, here we go. Okay, read the sentences, then click on the picture that represents the sentences. Okay, here we go. Okay, there are puppies in the park. One and two. Okay, to choose this option. Okay, number two, there are donuts in the kitchen. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, number two, there are. Okay, next, there is one apple on the counter. Okay, one, there is one. Okay, and the number four, there is an eagle flying over us. One, two, three, one. That is the option number two. Okay, and number five, there is a bird on that tree. Okay, there is. There's one. One, two, three. That is this. Okay, check your answers. Okay, and the answers are great. Excellent. Okay, we got 100 score. Okay, great. Okay, now your homework. Okay, according to the instruction, look at the picture and answer the question to complete the sentences using there is or there are. Okay, how many baked potatoes are left? One, two. Okay, you have to answer there are two baked potatoes. Okay, number two, how many spiders are there on the web? I see just one. So my answer is there is one spider on the web. Okay, number three, how many robots are there on the shelf? Help me to count. One, two, three. So the answer is there are, okay, three robots on the shelf. Okay, excellent. Check the other exercise. Okay, write one sentence starting with there is and one starting with there are. Okay, I know that you are going to do a great job. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform, okay? And remember, a child who sings is a happy child. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.